Live from South Beach, Dr. Fluff, as we do have South Beach with Miami in the background. Let's get a zoom in. There's your Miami City. And of course, coming off of Ocean Drive, we're close to it, but let's move on as we do have a little bit of rain. So let's see if we can capture what South Beach is all about. As we have, one of the things you'll notice is a number of different people eating. So let's take a look and see which restaurant this is. Hello there, how are you? So here we are at Smith and Walensky. Smith and Walensky along the waterside. So you'll be able to see that in the actual video. Let's see what else we have here, as we have a number of people eating left and right. What's up, man? Hey. All right. So Smith and Walensky. Let's work our way down to South Beach, Miami. One of the things you'll notice here, we might be able to go on the rocks. I don't know if the cameraman has the right rocks. Oh my, we're live here. Look at that. Nature at its best. Let's see if we can. We are a little slippery. Ugh. Ugh. All right. And there is the Miami area in the background. Get a shot for the thumbnail as the water's coming in. Miami in the background. And of course, a number of different cruise ships as well, in which we believe that's the icon of the seas. Let's zoom out. No time for reflection, as there is a storm a-brewing. All right, back on the trail. We'll head all the way to the beach. A furry fellow right amongst us. Hello. All right, so one of the things that we noticed here, just like any other Florida city or Florida beach, is that when it rains, it usually does not last that long. But for now, we'll use a little editing magic, and next time you see us, it'll be either slightly before the pier or on the actual beach. All right, so one thing we have to make sure is that we're out the way of the joggers, the runners, the bikers, anyone on the electric scooters as well. Hey, what's up, man? How's it going?
Hey, what's up?
Doing all right. I noticed the eye contact there.
Yeah, you got beautiful eyes.
Thank you. You know, I usually tell them, look into my eyes. I know they don't blink. No teeth in my mouth. Breath never stinks. Hey, bars. Hey, y'all have a good one, all right? Excuse me. All right, so again, this is weird. You'll see a number of actual cruises coming out, and it looks like we have the surf crew on deck, in which they'll be catching a number of waves. I believe they call, what do you call it? Hang what? Hang 10. Yeah, I knew it was hang something. Look at that. Hopefully we'll be able to catch them on the beach and see exactly if they'll be able to hang 10 or hang -3. We'll see. And we do have a rainbow in the background. Let's see if we can zoom in. That might be the still for the thumbnail. Let's zoom in on that. Usually you don't see these. And there it is. The rainbow. That might be the thumbnail. Getting slightly closer to the entrance point, in which there's a number of different side paths That actual rainbow in the background, though, that's a beautiful thumbnail. Now, one thing we'll be able to do is compare this with Clearwater Beach, St. Pete Beach, Cocoa Beach, Honeymoon Island, but now here, South Beach, Miami, Florida. Temperature about, I'd say about 76, wouldn't you say? Give or take. Temperature about 76, and we'll see exactly how it compares to the other beaches. There's the pier to the right, where fishing is allowed. And here we are, almost at the entry point. And many have waited for this moment here. Let's catch something for the still or the thumbnail. With Operation Rainbow in effect, I believe we have conquered this particular beach here, or at least not as of yet. Let's go down, get close to the water, and see exactly what South Beach has to offer. Let's go along the coast. We'll get an initial view. Let's go all the way down to the actual waves. Pier to the right. No actual cruise ships as of yet, which is definitely nice. Well, nice if we actually see them. Let's get a quick zoom out or zoom in. And it does look a little busy down there, but we're gonna head all the way straight. Usually when we get to a beach, we like to head straight to the water. So let's do that now. South Beach, Miami, Dr. Fluff on assignment. Pigeons in effect. All the way down to the water. As we were in Bimini, when we were in the Bahamas, the water looked very, very similar. But let's see what we got here as the wind is starting to pick up. Rocks are on the sideline. See exactly what we have there as the water is looking blue, emerald-ish, give or take. Oh, that's beautiful. Look at that. Look at that. I think this is going to be battling against the Bahamas, battling against Bimini, South Beach, Florida. Look at that. Does it get any better than that? With the rainbow in the background? I don't think it gets any better than that.